How to create a cut corner rectangle shape in Illustrator. Select the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle shape. Set the fill color none. Now hold Shift key and draw a square shape. Right click, choose transform, rotate and set the angle 45 degree. Position that square over the corner of the rectangle like this. Go to Window, Pathfinder. Select both shape and click Divide. Choose the Direct Selection tool. Then delete the unwanted piece. And just like that, the cut corner rectangle shape is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.